Hi and welcome to this new video. These factory direct Boxing Days offers are available starting December 25 until the 3rd of January. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you are interested in this content. If you would like to see a particular flyer, feel free to mention it in the comments. I will do my best to upload it as soon as possible. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon.